Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 4, Week 3, Day 2. I'm going to say, we're going to blend sounds into words. B-o-t, boat, n-o, no, k-o-t, coat, t-oo, to, f-o-o-t, float, s-o-k, soak, h-o-o-d, hold. Okay, these are review. Remember, we're working on long O. 3, 2, 1, no. Remember, this is O. 3, 2, 1, low. 3, 2, 1, toe. 3, 2, 1, coat. OA says O. 3, 2, 1, go. OW says O. 3, 2, 1, grow. 3, 2, 1, Joe. O again. 3, 2, 1, oat. OW says O. 3, 2, 1, show. And last of all, O. 3, 2, 1, toad. So we are working on long O, the boat card. O as in no. OA as O as in road. OA. O as in snow, O-W, and O as in goes, O-E. Okay, here we go. Old. Word, cold. Your turn. Word, both. Together, goat. Word, goat. Your turn. Word, grow. If you did growl, remember it can be ow or o. Together, O. Word, Joe. Joe. Okay, here we go. Your turn. Together. O. So that you'd think it's go, but it's gold. Okay. Next. Oast. Word, coast. O. Word, mow. Like mow the lawn. Your turn. Word, told. Together. O. Word, show. Your turn. Word, so. Together. Now, oat. Word, throat. Your turn. Word, pro, like professional. Together. Oast. Word, roast. Your turn. Word, slow. I'll let you do the next one. Word, toe. And toes, and that's the end of this part. So let's blend. Foam. Change the to ul. Foal. That's a baby horse. Change the f to k. Coal. Change the ul to t. Coat. Change the k to ba. Boat. Change the t to st. Boast. Change the b to roast. Change the st to d, road. Change the to ul, load. Change the d to n, loan. Change the ul to grown. Get rid of the n, grow. Change the to show. Change the sh to slow. Change the soul to glow. Change the to go. Change the to toe. Okay, friends, here are our high frequency words. Let's do it 5 times. Find, 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 find. Did you find some food? Food, 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 food. Did you find some food? More, 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 more. Do you need more time? O-R-E says or. Okay, just like O-R does too. Start, 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 start. We can start the game over. A-R says R. Art. Over, 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 over. We can start the game over. Warm, 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 warm. That hat can keep you warm. Okay, friends, this is the story for today. Let's look at some patterns. I see O. O-E says O, so you go first. Together. A doe and a buck. So a doe is a female deer, a girl deer, and a buck is a boy deer, a male deer. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Animals. 3, 2, 1. Live. 3, 2, 1. Girl. 3, 2, 1. Boy. 3, 2, 1. They. 3, 2, 1. Warm. 3, 2, 1. Watch. 3, 2, 1. Walk. 3, 2, 1. What? 3, 2, 1. Have. Okay. So your turn first. And then together. A doe and a buck. So I see animals. That's a sight word. A sight word we've learned. There's doe. And food and find. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. These animals live in the woods. A doe is a girl. A buck is a boy. They must find food to eat. Okay, let's look for some words. We have warm, there's doe again. Food. Grow. Doe. O. 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 Lots of O's in this paragraph. On this page. Your turn. Ready, begin. When it gets warm, a doe will start getting food with its mom. Mom will watch her babe grow. She will feed it. Then a doe goes alone. It can go slow because it is still little. A doe will walk on its toes. Okay, here's the next page. Your turn. Ready? Begin. What do these animals eat? A doe and buck eat plants. They can get food up and down low. When there is ice and snow, a doe can eat wood. It may have to tiptoe over snow to get wood. Okay, this is our last page. Your turn. Ready? Begin. A buck can run fast. It may need to run in a field to get away from a fast foe. So a foe is like an enemy. A doe and a buck can grow up to be fine animals. That was very nice. So I'm going to read this word. This word is taken. Let's clap it into syllables. Taken. I broke it at the te and then ken. When a syllable ends in a vowel, like the A does, it's called an open syllable. When a syllable ends in a vowel, the vowel sound is usually long. This is called an open syllable. For example, the vowel sound in the syllable te is A. Okay, so let's do a couple more. Robot, robot. So if I broke that up, it'd be ro. Do you see how there's no consonant closing the ro? So this would be long vowel sound. O, robot. Silent, silent. Break it right there. So this is sigh. Do you notice there's no consonant to close it? So this would be called an open syllable, and it says the long vowel sound, I. That's why it's silent, not silent. Donate, donate. Okay, so that would be D-O, and Nate is on the other side. And do you notice there's no consonant closing it in, so it's not closed, it's open, an open syllable, and it says the long vowel, O. Oh, they did it for us. So, O, it says long syllable. Frozen, frozen. Break it right there. Do you see how there's no consonant? So fro is all by itself. There's no consonant closing it. So it says so it's an open syllable, and it's a long vowel sound. So O, it says its name. Okay, okay. Okay, so O is all by itself. There's no other consonant by it. It's just a vowel by itself. That means it's an open syllable. It's not closed in. And it says the long sound, O. Last one, locate. Locate. Okay, we broke it here. You can see the L-O. There's no consonant closing it in. It's not closed. It's open. It's an open syllable. And the open syllable says the long vowel sound, or the name, which is O. That's why it's locate. Okay, friends, so yesterday we really quickly talked about go and do. So go and do tell about actions that happen right now, that take place right now. When we're talking about the past, go changes to went. You would not, well, I don't even think you could do it wrong, because you wouldn't say I guess you could say I go to the store yesterday, but that doesn't, go means right now. So you would have to say I went to the store yesterday. So go is right now, went is in the past, do is right now, did is in the past. So let's look at these sentences. They go to school on the bus. Okay, what's my verb? My verb would be go. That's something you do. You go somewhere. Okay, so go is my verb, and is it happening now or in the past? That would be happening right now. Okay, so now. Okay, now let's look at this next sentence. I went home when it snowed. Do you know what our verb is? If you said went, nice job. If you didn't, that's okay. We'll keep learning. And went means it happened in the past. I went home when it snowed. And the ED is also showing me it's in the past. Okay, here we go. You do your report. What's my verb? It would be do. They want you to do something. And it's happening right now. Like do it right now. My next sentence says, I did the reading test. What's my verb? If you said did, you would be correct. Did means it's in the past. We don't have an ED this time to help us know that, but that's okay. So once more, go is right now, went is in the past, do is a verb right now, did is in the past. Okay, bye everyone.